Welcome to CAE Crew Training, CAE's online platform for all of your training needs. Now we will take you on a tour of all the different features. The blue tiles on top indicate any current or future training events. Clicking on the tile will reveal further information. All computer-based training modules and documents can be accessed here. Complete all modules to have access to the final quiz. You can access your training documents library from either the course card or by clicking the library link. Within any document, you benefit of annotation capabilities and can highlight important sections. The comment tool can also be used as a way to bookmark parts of the document. Use the free text tool to add keywords or questions to deepen understanding. Use the freehand or shape tool to add focus on sections of the document for better insight. Clicking on the Schedule button will provide you detailed schedule information available 7 days before your training start date. The Training Center link will take you to CAE's main website and provide you with specific training center information. The Directions link will connect you to Google Maps for directions to the training center. The Calendar feature shows training events for any given date. At the bottom of the page, you will find a list of past training event information and e-records if available. If pre-check-in is available at your training center already, you can use this feature up to 60 days before your start date. Please fill out the form, upload your credentials if applicable and click on the Submit button to complete your pre-check-in. You will receive your QR code in-app and by email to use upon arrival at your training center. For assistance, click on the Help button. You can contact our 24/7 customer care team by phone, email, or live chat. You also have access to a vast library of articles for self-assistance. Now you can get started on your journey with us. Today and tomorrow, we make sure you're ready for the moments that matter.